Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your name on Wegmans.com account. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. Launch open a web browser and type in Wegmans.com and search. Doing this will take you to the official site for Wegmans. Now, once you are logged into your account, click on your profile picture at the top right hand corner and click on Profile in the list. You will then be able to open up your profile. Scroll down and click on this Edit Profile option, and you can now go ahead and edit some of your profile information. But before that, you'll need to first verify your identity. Select any one verification method and click on Send Code. Enter the code that you received via text, phone call, or email. Once you open up the email, you'll receive a verification code in it. Simply copy the code and paste it inside this text box and click on Submit Code. Soon after you do that, you will be able to open up this edit page. In order to change your display name or your username, go ahead and rewrite your first name, then your last name if you want, and after making some changes, scroll all the way down and click Continue. Soon after you click Continue button, you will be able to change your name for Wegman. Now you will be able to see your display name change right away. You can also go ahead and change any other information from the page if you want. So that's how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.